Hello everybody, good morning, all of you. I am Rahmat Ali. My enrollment number is GL6153 and my roll number is 19GGB36. Today I am going to say about the syllabus of BSc 5th semester is Astronomy and Map Projection Practical. Define firstly what is astronomy. The astronomy is the study of anything in the universe beyond Earth's surface atmosphere. That include objects we can see with our naked eyes like the sun, the moon and the stars and the planet. It is also include objects we can see telescope and other instrument. This is also known as astronomy. Second is the map projection. Map projection is the method of transferring the gratitude of latitude and longitude on a plane surface. Next about we talk the latitude. The latitude is the distance of a place north or south 0 degree at the equator, 90 degree of the line that we imagine around the middle of the earth. An example of the latitude is measurement of distance from the equators. Fact about the latitudes. Latitudes are also known as parallel. Latitude or runs is an east-west direction. The latitude cross the prime meridians at right angles. This is also about the latitude. Next about the longitude. Longitude is the measurement east or west of the prime meridian that runs around the earth vertically up and down and meet at the north and south poles that passes through Greenwich in London's. They are also known as meridians. The distance around the earth is 360 degree. Two main line of longitude. First is prime meridian is equal to longitude 0 degree and second is the international date lines. The international date line is longitude 180 degree. Longitude run in a north-south directions, cross the equator at right angles. Next about discuss the altitude. Altitude is the vertical elevation of an object above Earth's surface, such as sea level or land, of a planet or natural satellite. Next, declination. Declination is astronomy, the angular distance of a body north or south of the celestial equators. Declinations and right axis and east-west coordinate together define the positions of an object in the sky. North declination is considered positive and the south is negative. Next about the azimuth. The azimuth is the direction of a celestial object from the observers, expressed as the angular distance from the north or south point of the horizons to the point at which is vertical circle passing through object intersect the horizons. An azimuth is an angular measurement in a spherical coordinate systems. Next about the celestial horizons. Celestial horizon is a great circles on the celestial sphere having a plane that passes through the center of the earth and is parallel to an observed horizons and axis of the azimuth coordinate system. It is a great circles on the celestial sphere midway between the observed nadir and zenith. It divides equal hemisphere into two equal hemispheres. The observer may be unable to see all the stars that lie above the horizon because of obstructions such as building, trees, etc. Mountain. He will be able to see stars that lie below his celestial horizons because of atmospheric refractions. Next, about the great circle and small circles. First, the great circle is an imaginary circle that the earth is plane of which cut the globe into two equal halves. All the meridian of longitude are semicircles. The main great circles are equator, magnitude, geometric equators, celestial equators. The importance of the great circle is globe circles route. Globe circle route is the shortest distance between the 2 points of the earth. Small circles. Small circles are lines that do not passes through the passes through the center of the earth, parallel other than equator. And small circles, the radii of the smalls and smaller than the radius of the earth. On the celestial sphere, all lines of declinations are small circles except then the celestial equator, which is greater circles. Next topic is zenith and nadirs. Zenith. Zenith is the imaginary point that is directly above a particular locations on the celestial sphere. It is vertically opposite to the apparent gravitational force that is directly opposite to the gravitational pull. It is highest point in the sphere above the observer. Second is nadirs. A nadir is the point directly beneath of the observer. A person's for examples a person or an aeroplanes collecting the data. It is the lowest point. The directions below the observer. The nadir is directly underfoot. Next, we talk about the hour angle. Hour angle, this angle which when expressed in hour and minutes is the time elapsed since the celestial body transits of the observer meridians. The hour angles can also be expressed in degree, 15 degree of arc being equal to an hour. Next and last topic is right accessions. Right accession is like longitude. It locates where a star along a celestial equators. The 0 point for right accessions is the vernal equinox. Right accession can be expressed in degree, but it is more common to specific. It is how minute of second of time. Right accession is astronomy, the east-west coordinate by which the position of celestial body is ordinary measurement. The example of the right accession is a star on the celestial equator. With right accession, 6 hours into 15 hours, that is equal to is 90 degree from the vernal equinox. Thank you all for listening to me and watching my video. Thank you once again. Thanking you. Okay.